Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider.
With Office 2024, Microsoft is set to redefine the way we work with tools that help us achieve doing more in less time. Office 2024 features enhanced customization options, smoother navigation, and improved performance. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and activate Office 2024. But before we start, let's go through this video. Disclaimer. Dear viewers, this video is for informational purposes only. I do not promote or endorse any illegal activities, including software piracy, cracking, or bypassing genuine licensing methods. If you are unsure about the legalities of Office 2024 installation and activation, you are advised to consult Microsoft's official documentation or seek professional advice. First, ensure that Microsoft Office is not installed on your system. If it is, open the Windows Start menu, search for Control Panel, and navigate to Programs and Features. I advise you close any running Microsoft applications like Word or Excel. Then in the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office and any Office-related program. Select it and uninstall. After the uninstallation, restart your computer to complete the process. Once your system reboots, we can move on to step 2. Next, open your browser and go to Microsoft official website. As I always do, I'll help you with the link in the description of this YouTube video. When you land on this Microsoft official page, go to Office Deployment Tool and download to save it on your computer. Open the location where the Office Deployment Tool is downloaded. Copy the file. Go to this PC, open disk C. Create a new folder in disk C. Name the new folder Office 2024. Open the folder and paste the Office Deployment Tool in it. On the Office Deployment Tool, right mouse click on it and run as administrator, and permit the system a yes. At this point, you don't have a choice. Accept Microsoft license terms and continue. It is asking us to select a folder to save the files we are about to extract. Select this PC and under Disk C, select the Office 2024 folder that we just created. Next, visit this Microsoft website. Don't ask how you get here. Links to the official website I show you are in this video description. Here, expand products and releases. Select the architecture that works on your computer. It's either 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are not sure of the architecture of your computer, go to your Windows Start and search for system information. When you open system information, under System Summary, you will see system type. Mine says x64 based. That is 64-bit architecture. I close the system information to continue and choose 64-bit. Let's select the Office Suites product. Choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Visio product is optional. If you want it, then select Visio LTSC Professional 2024 Volume License. I don't want it, I will not select it. Leave Project and Additional Products. In the Update Channel section, go to Select the Update Channel and leave it as Office LTSC 2024 Perpetual Enterprise. Select the version, and I advise you choose Latest Version. For the Apps section, turn on the apps you want and turn off the apps you don't want. Go next for language. For the primary language, I will select English United States. Picking additional languages is optional and may not be necessary. I will also skip additional proofing tools. Click Next for installation. Where do you want to deploy Office from? Keep it at Office Content Delivery Network, CDN. Click Next for updates and upgrade options. Here says uninstall any MSI version of Office, including Visio and Project. Turn this off. Click Next for licensing and activation. Under Product Key, select the KMS option, as selecting the MAK option will require inputting key digits that we don't have. So we need to use the KMS option. Leave product activation as user-based, then click Next. Do not do anything under General, so click Next for application preferences. I recommend you leave all these as default. Don't do anything here. Go down and click the big button, Finish. On the right-hand side, you will see a preview of the configuration settings. Go through it and be sure every detail here is exactly the way you want things should be. Otherwise, Microsoft allows you to make adjustments or changes. When all is checked and everything here looks the way I showed you, then click Export. Microsoft wants us to choose the file format. Let's choose Office Open XML formats. Give it OK. We must accept the Microsoft software license terms. Check the box to accept it. The file name should be configuration, just as it is. Then click Export. The configuration XML file will be downloaded to your computer. Pay attention to the location where it will be downloaded. For me, it'll be in Downloads. Open the location where the configuration XML file is downloaded. Right-mouse click on the configuration XML file and copy or cut it. Go back to Disk C into the Office 2024 folder we created earlier. Paste the configuration XML file in it. Now be sure you have the setup file and the configuration file in here. While you are still in this Office 2024 folder, go to the address bar, click on it and edit it by typing CMD. Press the Enter key. This will open the command prompt in the correct Office 2024 directory. So I went to this Microsoft official website and I copied this configuration command text provided by Microsoft themselves. You may check it out yourself. The link is in the description. You can see all we're doing here is legit with Microsoft. Back to our command prompt, type the command text, setup.exe /configure, configuration.xml. Press the Enter key and permit the system a yes. Ladies and gentlemen, our installation of Microsoft Office will now begin. This might take a while, so be patient. Make sure you have a good internet connection and a good power source. When the installation is completed, we need to activate Microsoft Office 2024. Go to Windows Start and search for any Microsoft Office apps, either Word or Excel. Accept the Microsoft License Agreement. On the left menu, go to Account. If your previous Microsoft Office was activated, this new Office will automatically be activated for you. Otherwise, click on Change Product Key. If you have your Microsoft product key, input it here. If you don't have one, I advise you to purchase one. Here is a sample key to activate a preview version of Office 2024, which will work temporarily and not permanently. After you enter your Office product key, click Activate Office. Then close the app. Wait for a few seconds and open a Microsoft Office app again. When the Office app opens again, you will see this dialog box. How do you want to activate your software? Select the option recommended by Microsoft. I want to activate the software over the internet. Then click Next. Now you should see your Microsoft Office product is activated.